Hi everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well and staying safe at home. So first of all, welcome to my channel, which is Beautify by Nida. So as we all know that Rakhi is coming up, and that is why I created this blue smoky eye look for Rakhi. So I thought why not to try some colorful kind of makeup look for this festive season. राखी के बाद एक फेस्टिव्स आते ही रहेंगे. So please मेरे चैनल पे बने रहिए for more such kind of videos. But before dive into the video, make sure you subscribe to my channel and also hit the notification bell which is right next to the subscribe button. So जब मैं अपना कोई नया वीडियो अपलोड करूँ so आपको उसकी इत्तला मिलती रहे. And if you are interested in getting know that how to achieve this look, then please keep on watching. चलिए start करते हैं आज का वीडियो. So I'm going to start my makeup by applying some primer, and for that I'm using this Insight 3-in-1 primer. So I'm going to take 3 drops of this primer. So I've taken only this much. जो भी आपके target areas हैं like on your forehead, around your nose, on your chin, इस तरह से मसाज करेंगे and then press it in your skin. Next, for my foundation, I will use this Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 128 Warm Nude. So I have taken this much of amount. So rub it off. So इससे क्या होता है, ये warm हो जाता है product और easily आपकी skin पे blend हो जाता है. And with the help of this foundation brush, I am going to blend my foundation. And next I am going to use this Cuff and Lashes cover pot in the shade 06 Nude. So basically कुछ इस तरह का ये thick consistency का concealer है. इसको आप फाउंडेशन की तरह भी यूज़ ले सकते हैं. And इसको हम अपने आई बेस प्राइमर की तरह अप्लाई करेंगे. एज ए हाइलाइटर भी यूज़ करेंगे. And to blend my concealer, I am going to use this Cuff and Lashes concealer brush F011 and इस तरह से dabbing motion में इसको blend out कर लेंगे. Next, I am going to use this compact powder from Maybelline in the shade 03 Natural so that our base will not crease. Just to fill my eyebrows, I am going to use this PAC eyebrow cake. So, firstly, brush them downwards. So आप फिगर आउट कर सकें कि कहाँ कहाँ पर गैप है, where you need to apply the powder. So पाउडर की हेल्प से आईब्रो को फिल इन करना बहुत मुझे इजी लगता है. अगर आपके पास पेंसिल है तो आप पेंसिल से भी कर सकते हैं अपनी आईब्रोज. Now coming to eyes, and for that I am using this Eye Magic 35 color eyeshadow palette. And as we decided that we will going to do some blue eye makeup, so firstly I am going to dip my brush into this navy blue color और इसको हम अपनी eyelid पे अप्लाई कर लेंगे. स्लोली हम इसे बिल्डअप करेंगे. Next, I will take this kind of clean blending brush. By the way, this brush is from Cuff and Lashes. This is their E005 brush, and I'm just running it through my crease lines so that जो भी edges हैं वो nicely blend out लगे. Do it very light hand, guys. To diffuse the harshness on my crease line, I'm going to deposit this brown color on my crease line. Next I'm going to apply this shimmery shade with help of a wet brush on my eyelid, so that इससे बहुत अच्छा सा स्पार्क भी आएगा हमारी आईज में. And next I am going to apply this Lakme Iconic Kajal on my lower waterline and as well as on my upper waterline. Just try to apply little bit more thicker kajal so that हम इसको blend out करके एक smoky effect दे सकें. And I am going to repeat the same steps on my lower lash line as well. Like same उसी order में हम लोग color apply करेंगे. Firstly take this blue color and smudged it out. Next I am going to dip my brush into this brown shade and इसको हम smudged out कर लेंगे so that इसके edges बहुत ही soft लगें. And lastly we will going to apply some eyeliner, and for that I am using this Lakme Insta eyeliner. So एक simple सा eyeliner draw करेंगे. Lastly, I am going to finish off my eye makeup by applying some mascara, and for that I am using this Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. So it will give length and volume to your lashes. Now coming back to our face again, and for that I am using this Swiss Beauty blush palette. So इसी palette में से हम ये वाले ब्राउन कलर की हेल्प से अपने यूजुअल एरियाज ऑफ फेस को कॉन्टोर कर लेंगे, लाइक हॉलो ऑफ माय चीक्स एंड ऑन माय नोज. Next coming to cheeks, and I'm going to add little bit more pink color to my cheeks, and for that I'm using this कुछ ऑरेंज काइंड ऑफ कलर है ये. सो एज यू कैन सी बहुत पिगमेंटेड है ये. And lastly we will going to apply some highlighter, and for that I am using this Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter in the shade Molten Gold. So आप चाहें तो इसको ब्रश की हेल्प से भी लगा सकते हैं, अदरवाइज अपनी फिंगर की हेल्प से भी लगा सकते हैं. To line my lips I am going to use this Swiss Beauty liner. Lastly for my lips I am going to use this MV Attitude lipstick in the shade Choco Temptation. So I thought कुछ dark colorful eyes किए, so I should go with some nude kind of color. So कुछ इस तरह का choco color है. To lock my makeup I am going to use this makeup fixer. So just shake it well. फिर डैम ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर की हेल्प से इसको इस तरह से डैब कर लेंगे. So at last I just added this small bindi here just to make it more Indian look. So this is our finished look. I really hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial and you will going to try this look as well on Rakhi. So let me know in the comment section that आपको ये look कैसा लगा और आपने try किया तो किस तरह से turn out हुआ आपके ऊपर. So I will see you soon in my next one. Till then, stay beautiful, stay happy. Bye bye.